In South Korea, there is a day called Black Day, during which single people eat noodles to lament their loneliness. This is in opposition to Valentine's Day and White Day, the days for couples. India will launch 6G by 2023 end or 2024, said by Ashwini Vaishnav. Elon Musk is now 3 times as rich as Warren Buffett and worth more than the GDP of his home country of South Africa. Everyday humans collectively spend 1.2 million years on social media. In Germany, 15 bombs are still found daily, which were to be used in the Second World War. Such bombs are discovered and diffused. Math anxiety is a psychological disorder which causes stress and anxiety when doing math problems. Employees who work at Jack Daniels get a free bottle of Jack Daniels with their paychecks every month. Uber Eats becomes first company to deliver food in space. The firm collaborated with Japanese fashion mogul Yusaku Mizuho to send ready-to-eat canned Japanese cuisine to the astronauts on the International Space Station. 80,000 tickets were sold for the concert of Salman Khan in UAE. The number of 80,000 tickets is 10,000 more than the number of tickets sold for the Justin Bieber's concert on 6 December in UAE. The record of being the oldest person to become a father was achieved by Ramjit Raghav at the age of 96 in 2012. His wife Shakuntala Devi was 52 at the time. After being unhappy with her boss, a woman from Thailand blew up an oil warehouse where she worked. She said that her boss used to scold her and it gave her stress. She caused the damage of over 9 crore rupees. There are 118 elements in the periodic table, but can you believe that the iPhone has 75 elements? Billy Milligan was a criminal whose life was so disturbed that his mind fractured into at least 24 personalities. For each one, his speech pattern was different and his accents were different. He also sat different ways in a chair. My dog has a nasty habit of scratching the door in the middle of the night. One evening, she would not stop scratching the door. After calling her 5 times, I threw a pillow towards the door to make her stop. That's when she barked. From night beside me, she would be next to me the whole time. One of the most mysterious places on the earth is Lake Kiluk, the most mineralized lake of the world. Each of these 365 spots hold a unique chemical content and is said to cure different diseases. In 1977, a Chinese woman with no medical degree anonymously found a cure for malaria. 38 years later, she was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Meet Ethan Zuckerman, inventor of pop-up ads, who ruined the internet. If you get a blood transfusion and get the wrong type of blood, one of the symptoms is sense of impending doom. YouTube has crossed 10 billion downloads on Google Play Store, more numbers than population on Earth. YouTube is on top, followed by Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Interestingly, there are only 3 billion Android phones globally. The Barbie doll's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Her birthday is March 9, 1959, when she was first displayed at the New York Toy Fair. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.